Welcome to a new era of the smart home where the boundaries between technology and atmosphere finally disappear. For years, the original HomePod Mini has sat on our desks and nightstands, providing a reliable but ultimately limited experience. Yet as we move into 2026, Apple is about to shatter every expectation we had for compact audio. The rumors surrounding the Apple HomePod Mini 2 suggest more than just a simple spec bump. We are looking at a complete reinvention of how we interact with our living spaces. Imagine a device that no longer just plays music but understands the very acoustics of your life, adjusting its output in real time to create a soundstage that feels massive despite its tiny footprint. This isn't just about louder volume or deeper bass, though those are certainly coming. It is about the integration of the A18 silicon, bringing unprecedented computational audio to a device that fits in the palm of your hand. The strategy behind this 2026 release is clear. Apple wants to dominate the entry-level smart home market by offering premium features that were once reserved for the full-sized HomePod. We are hearing reports of a sophisticated new driver array that utilizes high-excursion woofers and custom-engineered transducers to eliminate distortion even at maximum volume. For the first time, the HomePod Mini 2 will likely support a localized version of spatial audio that doesn't just bounce sound off walls but maps the room with incredible precision using updated ultra-wideband sensors. This means that whether you are tucked in a corner or standing in the center of a high-ceilinged loft, the audio remains crisp, centered, and immersive. The magic lies in the details, like the rumored carbon-neutral fabric mesh that is not only better for the planet, but designed to be acoustically transparent, allowing every high and mid-tone to breathe without interference. Connectivity is the backbone of the 2026 smart home, and the HomePod Mini 2 is set to be the ultimate hub. With the full implementation of the Matter 2.0 standard, this device will seamlessly bridge the gap between your lights, locks, and thermostats with zero latency. But the real game changer is the rumored inclusion of a small, circular touch-sensitive display on the top surface. Instead of just glowing colors, we might see glanceable information like weather icons, timers, or even the album art of the track currently playing. This adds a layer of physical interaction that makes the device feel alive and responsive. For those deep in the ecosystem, the H3 chip will ensure that handoff is faster than ever. Moving a call or a song from your iPhone to the speaker will feel instantaneous, with a haptic vibration that confirms the transfer with satisfying precision. As we look deeper into the internal hardware, the power efficiency of the new internal components allows for a much richer sound profile without increasing the physical size of the unit. Apple engineers have supposedly found a way to use the internal air pressure to enhance the low-end frequencies, giving this small sphere the thump that users have been craving since 2020. It's a masterclass in industrial design, proving that you don't need a massive footprint to fill a room with soul-stirring music. The software side is equally impressive, with a specialized version of Siri that processes most commands on device. This means your smart home requests are faster, more private, and work even when your internet connection is flickering.